working alongside a fantastic team taking you south to Heathrow this morning. Firstly, a very warm and special welcome to those who are joining us from our executive club. It's a pleasure to have you back on board. I'd also like to extend that welcome to customers joining us from our One World Partner frequent flyer programs. A couple of items of safety for me before we get started. We do ask please, whenever you're seated, do keep your seatbelts loosely fastened in case we encounter any unexpected lumps or bumps along the way. If you want to take some rest, please keep your seatbelt visible, and that way we won't have to disturb you. Wi-Fi services will shortly be available. To access these, simply connect to the BA network, open your internet browser and enter the address shop.ba.com, where price plans and free access to many British Airways apps and travel services will be available to you. For customers in our Euro-traveller cabin, this is also where you'll find the link to the Speedbird Cafe for chairside ordering on board today's flights. In a few moments, on behalf of the captain, first officer and your entire cabin crew team, a very warm welcome to a rather dreary start to the day here in London. Quick time check for you, it is 12 minutes to 9. For those customers who wish to use your mobile phones, as long as they're within arm's reach, it's now safe to do so. We'd like to wish you all a safe onward journey from us today. Please start that journey though by letting the aeroplane reach the terminal building before you. Best way to achieve this, of course, is to remain safely seated in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until we're fully parked and the overhead signs have been switched off. Please take care in removing items from the lockers. They may well have moved and could fall, injuring yourself or someone sat near you. And do take a moment to ensure you have everything with you before leaving us today.